So hi everyone, my name is Vikas. So I am an investment banker. Okay, so I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking. Okay, so today I'm making this short video for all of those like who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. Okay, so this video will also be relevant for those like who are looking to switch their field into investment banking and currently they are basically working in the other fields. Okay, so in this short video, so I'm going to talk about what are the different skill set which is required to get excelled in this field. Okay, so what are the different kind of prerequisites to be eligible for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. So then at last, so I will review one of the best financial modeling course, which is basically available online. Okay. So now I'm just starting with point number one, where we are going to discuss about the skill set which is required to get excel in this particular field. Okay. So you should have a good conceptual knowledge about the basics of finance, accounting, time value of money. So you should understand the different kind of financial statement, like we have three major financial statement like the P&L, balance sheet, and the cash flow. You should know how these statements are interlinked with each other. Then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. You should know about like how to work on different kind of models like the DCF, LBO, M&A. Okay, so then forecasting techniques. So you should know how the revenue of the company is being driven, what are the different kind of costs associated with the business. So then only you will be able to forecast the financial of a company. Okay, so then the financial modeling is not just about the numbers or just preparing a model. So how you're presenting your data with the help of charts and with the help of storytelling, so that really matters a lot. Okay, so that data presentation is also a very important skill set that you might be requiring for entering into this particular field. Okay, so now we'll be moving to point number two, where we are just discussing about what are the prerequisites, the kind of requirement which these recruitment firm or the investment banking firm looks within a candidate when they are basically hiring for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, the first one is basically about your academic background. Okay, so what academic background you are coming from. Okay, so some big opportunities like if you are applying for any bulge bracket investment bank, so then they basically specifically look for any selected institute or selected university. So otherwise, like most of these job opportunities can be applied if you have a skill set which is required to get excel in this field. Okay, so then the second point is basically about the skill sets. You should have a basics to advanced Excel skills, financial analysis skill, and the problem solving skills. So then talking about the last but not the least, which is also very important point, so that is basically about the case studies and the aptitude test. Okay, so if they are fine with your academic background, so if you have the desired skill set, then they will be testing you basis some case studies and the aptitude test. In case you qualify for those, so then you'll be moving forward with the technical round. Okay, so this is the entire process like for getting selected into investment banking or any financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so now I'm going to do a financial modeling course review, which is basically offered by Edupristine. Okay. So if we look at the course eligibility, so there is no minimum qualification required to pursue this particular course. Okay. So then coming to the like what all skills that you'll be building as a part of this course. So you'll be having practical and experimental training, you'll be having soft skill training, and you'll be market ready for the frequent job updates, customized career guidance, interview skill workshop, resume preparation assistant, placement assistance, career service support. So so there are two kind of program under which this course can be taken. So the one is the classroom training program, which is only conducted in Mumbai location. Okay. So in this particular program, you will be attending 100 hours of extensive classroom training. Recorded lectures will be there. So you'll be getting the joint certification from Edupristine and BSc Institute. A comprehensive study notes, post-session practice on real-life case studies, then hands-on training on Excel workbooks taught by experienced professionals. So these are the benefits and the feature of this course. So LMS portal, you'll be having the access to the LMS portal for 1 year. Okay, so then coming to the FM live virtual classroom training, so this is again a joint certification program which is offered by Edupristine and BSc Institute Limited. So 100 hours of extensive live virtual classroom training, then recorded lectures will be there, comprehensive study notes will be there, hands-on training on Excel workbooks taught by an experienced professional from the industry. So in again in this course, you'll be getting 1 year access to the LMS portal. Okay. So career services board, after course engagement, dedicated discussion forums. So all these things will be getting in this particular course. Okay. So if we talk about the course curriculum, so you're going to learn from Excel skills, then case studies, merger and acquisition, project finance, macros, valuation case studies, visualization in Excel and Power BI. So all of this course is basically going to cover in 16 days. So as they have basically mentioned as a part of their course curriculum. Okay, so this entire course is going to complete in 16 to 17 days. Okay, so then coming to like uh, like if they will be providing you with the internship opportunities or not. So they have specifically mentioned that there is no such requirement for the financial modeling course. So now I'm going to rate this particular financial modeling program basis some parameters which are listed on the left. Okay. So if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be a very good course. Then Excel skills that you're going to learn in this course. So then live sessions will be there. Then live doubt sessions, so they have not specifically mentioned on their website. So for that reason, I'm just rating them as 0. So internship support, so they are not going to provide you with that. So for that reason, again, I'm rating it 0. Then placement support you're going to get in this course. So course fees, again, so they have not mentioned on their website. So for that reason, I'm rating it as 0. Course duration, so this is going to be 100 hours of live sessions program. So then money back guarantee you will not get in this course. So LMS access you will be getting for the 1 year time. So that is a limited time frame for which you will be getting the LMS access. For that reason, I'm again rating it as 0. Okay. So basis these parameters. So this course has scored 5 out of 10. Okay. So in case you are really serious about basically building your career in this particular field of investment banking and financial modeling, so I can suggest a better financial modeling course which comes with the complete package and which covers all the aspects. Okay. So I can provide the details related to that particular financial modeling course in the description section. So in case you have any queries related to that course, so you can just ping in the comment section. So I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video and thanks for watching the video.